In this video we are going to make a frog pattern and other pattern with Rubik's 4x4. So stay with me until the end of the video. Pattern number 1, stair, and use this algorithm to create it. L R U and spin the Rubik's Cube. R U, spin again. R U R U R U R, and the stair pattern is created. Pattern number 2, it is created with this algorithm. M prime, spin, M prime, spin, M prime, and M prime, and is created. And the last pattern, this is frog pattern. I will not use the names of movements here, that you can understand them better, so watch carefully. And as you see, a frog-like pattern is created. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, bye bye.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail.